Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 10. So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. So let's get started friends. The first word that I have for you is voracious. Voracious means having a huge appetite or you can say excessively eager. In Hindi it is पेटू या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा उत्सुक. Its sentence is he has a voracious appetite. Its synonym is gluttonous. Moving to our next word, which is petulant. Friends, petulant means bad-tempered or you can say rude. In Hindi it is chidchida. Now moving to its sentence is he behaved like a petulant child and refused to cooperate. Its synonym is cantankerous. The next word that I have for you is noxious. Friends, noxious means harmful or poisonous. In Hindi it is hanikarak. Now its sentence, heavy industry pollutes our rivers with noxious chemicals. Its synonym is deadly. The next word that I have for you is heuristic. It is very important word. Heuristic means learning through trial and error. Or you can say experimenting until a solution is found. In Hindi it is anumani. Its sentence is heuristic learning is another method of education that involves learning by making mistakes. Its synonym is experience-based. The next word is efficacious. Efficacious means producing a desired effect. In Hindi you can say prabhavshali. Now moving to its sentence is more efficacious treatments may soon be available. Its synonym is fruitful. The next word that I have for you is nefarious. Friends, nefarious means wicked. In Hindi you can say beiman ya fir ati papi. Now moving to its sentence is my father believes you all have a nefarious purpose here. Its synonym is sinful. The next word is zealous. Friends, zealous means eager or you can say devoted. Its Hindi meaning is utsahi. Now moving to its sentence is his zealous attitude made him a winner. Its synonym is energetic. The next word that I have for you is bewildered. Bewildered means perplexed and confused. In Hindi it is ghabraya hua. Now look at its sentence. Its sentence is he looked bewildered. Its synonym is baffled. The next word that I have for you is clandestine. Repeat after me, clandestine. Clandestine means kept secret and done something secretively. In Hindi you can say gupt ya fir gair kanuni. Now its sentence, she is the director of the clandestine operations for the CIA. Its synonym is concealed. Last but not least is cumbersome. Cumbersome means large or heavy and it is very difficult to carry or use. Now its sentence is the large lockers were cumbersome. Its synonym is hefty. So friends, it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of baffled? A. Heavy. B. Confused. C. Hide. D. Secret. Give me answer of this question in comment box.